In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use buckets and labels in Microsoft Planner. In order to do that, first head over to planner.cloud.microsoft and you should be able to see in here this page. So you can only access Microsoft Planner if you have a plan available or if you're already subscribed to a plan yourself, or if your plan is under an organization with an existing subscription. To proceed to click on the sign in to that organization, you can also get it for iOS and Android. Now from in there, you can just input right here your email on Microsoft and click on next right here in order to access it. Now here is my actual plans that I have. So to use buckets and labels, let's open right here a plan. Let's choose our everyday life right there. So here it is. So in order to use your buckets, buckets are what this list are called. So this is bucket 1, bucket 2, bucket 3. And you can just create a new bucket or new a bucket right here by clicking onto this option. You can group those options by bucket, which are the task category. And you can also add some labels. So to do a label, just click onto this task that you wish to edit. So in there, you just need to actually assign a task. And in here, in order to add a label, you can proceed to click onto this priority option right here. And onto this priority, you can see right here the actual priority task for this. We have repeat. We also have in here medium and high priority for specific tasks. So in that way, you just need to make sure that you create or you use first the cards that has a high priority, and in that case that will be the label. You can also click on this label option in order to label it according to your liking, like for example for HR, for accounts and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.